Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I want to show you that how to refund items in the Roblox or refund items on Roblox and get your Robux back. So for this, our first step is that you have to just click on the settings icon at the very top right corner and then click on the help. So after some processing, you will find here's a step of the interface of Roblox. You have to just search here for the refund and then click on the refund back link here. After this, you will find here a new interface. So you have to just scroll down here and find here a link here in the additional help and just click to open this link here. So when you click on this link, after some processing, you will find here's a step of the page. You have to just put here your contact informations, including your username, your first name, your email address, and then again confirm your email address that is linked to your Roblox account. And here in the issue details, you have to just select the one device that you are using. Like I am using my PC, so I just click on the PC. So after this, you have to just select the category. You have to just select the purchases using the Robux, and in the next option you have to just select for the website item. Doing so, you have to just make a short description about your issue. Basically, you have to just show your item in your description that you recently bought. Like you can copy these words that I recently bought a clothing card. You have to just show your item here, and then you have to just put that which happened because my little brother went onto my account without my knowing and bought it without my knowledge, and I did not want to buy this item at all. Please give me a refund because I am not happy at all. But keep in mind one thing, that you have to just put here your Game Pass name for which you have bought your item. So after making this type of the description, you have to just click on the submit. Within 24 to 48 hours you can get the refund of your item. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. For more information about this, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video, and also subscribe my channel Let Me Guide. Thanks for watching.